I bought the cheapest t-shirts in the whole city to make some low budget brand clothings out of it with my 3D printer. Gucci, Off-White, Nike. Let's see what you can copy to print it on my €3 t-shirts. I need designs for these 3 different colors, and I also want them to be in different price categories. For the first t-shirt we will do this green Elevate t-shirt, which costs normally €45. The second t-shirt will be this crazy Philipp Plein t-shirt with the orange skull. The normal price is €445. The last one is just crazy expensive. €633 for this Off-White t-shirt. So let's start to recreate all the 3 different designs to print them on the t-shirts. So here there are the 3 different designs I need for my t-shirts today. Now I just have to load it into Fusion to create a 3D model which will be later printed on the t-shirts. The next step is to load them into Cura to see how long it will take to print them out. Here we are, and we can see that the first design, Love Hurts, will take 18 minutes to print. The goal is that the material is like melting inside the t-shirt, so the design is really sticking to it. The next one is the Off-White logo. It will take just 12 minutes. And for the last, the Philipp Plein skull will take 29 minutes to print. That's all not too long. I will print this out, of course, with flexible material because it's necessary that also the t-shirt is like flexible and stretchy and everything. So finally, we are ready to go to the printer. So the first try is over, and as you can see, I have one big problem. The problem is that the t-shirt is moving too much on the plate, and this results in not accurate printing. That's not good, of course, but in this case, for the Off-White logo, I think it's kind of nice, to be honest. It matches the style of Off-White, kind of like a glitch or something. But for the other ones, we have to make sure that it's like really strong on the plate and it's not moving during the print. And I also have to remove like this line. It looks kind of ugly. Yes, I hope. Oh yes, you can remove it. That's very important. Okay. Alright, so let's try the next one. Wow, the next shirt is finished and it looks really accurate. here they are, all the t-shirts from today's video. The last step is now, of course, to see how they will look like if I wear them. So let's try them on one by one. Look at this. It looks really amazing. It looks like just a real one. It's crazy. So the filament is like really flexible and stretchy. I can do whatever I want with the t-shirt. The texture of the designs sometimes differ within the design. That's just because the printer did some strange things, or the t-shirt was moving on the plate. But to be honest, I don't care about them at all. I think it looks even nicer with some different textures. So I'm really happy with this t-shirt. It looks so good. Once again, it looks so cool. It looks so funny. This was by far the most difficult design, but once again, it turned out amazing. It's stretchy. I can do whatever. It feels just real. I don't know. The only thing I'm not sure about is, of course, the washing machine. This t-shirt is not forever, that's what I think. But if you have like a special event, you want to go to a birthday party, then you have the ability to do something very special just for one day. I mean, for €3.50 instead of 200, this is really crazy. Just for the design, I'm so happy. I think it's great. This was the second one. Now let's head over to the €633 Off-White t-shirt. Ta-da! Again, this is so funny for me. It's, once again, I think it's really nice. Even though it's not perfectly printed. Like I said before, the t-shirt was moving too much, so the printer was not able to do it very clean. This could be in the Off-White collection, like even the imperfections. This is one of the things you don't think about when you hear about 3D printing. You just need a printer, material, and the rest is just imaginations without any limits. So here they are again, all t-shirts. It was all in all a great project. I loved it. And even though there are some imperfections, I think they turned out really unique and beautiful. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.